Welcome to TWINN number 54, This Week in Nerd News, where in 5 minutes or less, I'd like to share with you just some stories that we need to all be paying attention to this week. And this week, we focus on the difficult challenge ahead of public software libraries and scripts that thousands of companies and developers are trusting on a daily basis. It makes sense. Open source developers make a useful JavaScript library available to us that saves us hundreds, if not thousands of hours of work, so why not use it, right? This past holiday, many security professionals worked very, very long hours on the Log4j vulnerability mitigation, and now we even have the FTC warning of this week. So we know of at least 14 companies that have received such a warning, as though it's a precursor to potential charges if they are found to not take any action. And then, on top of that, the open source developer community is very concerned about some widely used libraries that were corrupted this week. It's as though this is only the beginning of open source developers' public libraries suddenly using their platform, their voice, for another purpose, leaving devices at risk all over the world. In this case, the developer left a message about what really happened to Aaron Swartz, for example. In another story, it seems like a week can never pass without at least one major ransomware story. In this case, it was Albuquerque. Sadly, the ones that hit our news radar are actually only the tip of the iceberg, because ransomware is still going very strong. The Mac malware of 2021. I wanted to share this for those that live exclusively on a Mac OS platform and have had some sense of additional safety and security by their platform choice. But as the Mac is targeted more and more, we will also continue to see more threats. And so stay updated anytime that there's an update available, and run Zero Trust everywhere that you can as the best mitigation for both current and future threats. And we have news about Norton 360 coming with believe it or not, a crypto miner. We're not sure if we should laugh or cry about this one, but those that are in the industry would likely stay away from this product altogether. Now, did you know that in iOS, there's an incredible app privacy report that's really, really awesome? If you go to Settings, Privacy, and scroll to the bottom for the app privacy report, you can see the app network activity by domains that it contacts. If you're behind Zero Trust connectivity, the third-party ads and trackers won't have been successful, but it sure is revealing what each app does. Enjoy and see you again next week.